Hello everyone, we the students of Batch C14 presenting the project Smart Scare and Intelligent Intrusion Alert and Prevention System for Crops under the guidance of Mr. C.H.V. Raviteja Sir, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE. The problem statement, farmers in remote agriculture regions face human-wildlife conflict leading to significant crop damage by the intrusion of animals like birds, pigs and monkeys. Traditional methods like scarecrows and fencing are often ineffective and unsustainable. So there is a need of an intelligent real-time system to detect the intrusion. The main objectives of the project are to develop an intelligent automated system that detects wildlife intrusions in real time and notify farmers instantly via SMS alerts. Another important objective is to develop a multi-sensory deterrent mechanism using sound and laser to repel animals effectively. Also to reduce traditional deterrence and provide a cost-effective and low-maintenance system. By using the system, we can minimize the crop loss and, and reduce human-wildlife conflict.
This is our circuit which consists of Raspberry Pi 4B model and also a GSM and a USB to TTL converter, and here it consists of a buzzer, a laser module and a UV sensor. Now let's implement our project practically. To implement, here we have Raspberry Pi. I am connecting my Raspberry Pi to the laptop by indirectly connecting. Now open mobile hotspot in your laptop and turn on the hotspot. Here you can see the IP address of the Raspberry Pi, the device that we wanted to connect. And now go to an app called Real VNC Viewer. Here you can see the same IP address of the device. So now I have opened the file of my code. Using run option, I am running my code. Save the code. And you can see the distance that that it is measuring. Here you can see that there is an intrusion appearing before the system, and there is a buzzer ringing, and also the laser light. You can see there is a focus on the intrusion. Soon as the intrusion detected, there is a message alert sent to the farmer that the intrusion is detected.
Thank you.